start. This is plaintiff's second appeal challenging the judgments and decrees of the courts below, whereby his suit for recovery of rupees 10 lakh on the basis of customary divorce deed dated 25th March 2003 and affidavit executed by the defendants was dismissed. Stop. Para. As per the averments, the plaintiff appellant filed the suit against the defendant respondents seeking recovery of rupees 10 lakhs, alleging that he was married to respondent number 1 on 1st March 2002 at Sultanpur Lodhi district Kapurthala according to Sikh rites, and thereafter the appellant went to England. Stop. He tried his best to bring defendant respondent number 1 to United Kingdom. However, she could not get visa permit. Stop. Thereafter, defendant number 1 started causing harassment to the sister of the plaintiff appellant, namely Gurbaksh Kaur alias Baksho, by making the false applications to the police and other authorities, and also filed a false suit against the plaintiff in the court. Stop. With the intervention of the villagers of both the plaintiff and defendant number 1, sister of the plaintiff on behalf of the plaintiff and defendant number 1 had entered into a settlement in consultation with the counsel for defendant number 1, Shri Tilak Raj Tandon, advocate Nakodar. Stop. As per the said settlement, Shri Tilak Raj Tandon, advocate Nakodar, had got typed a customary divorce deed between the plaintiff and defendant number 1 on 25th March 2003. Stop. Sister of the plaintiff had paid rupees 5 lakhs to defendant number 1 in the presence of her father and mother, and defendants number 2 and 3 and other respectable persons, and her counsel Shri Tilak Raj Tandon, as lump sum amount for consideration of divorce. Stop. Then defendant number 1 had signed customary divorce deed on 25th December 2003, and Srimati Gurbaksh Kaur alias Baksho, attorney of the plaintiff, had also signed the same on behalf of the plaintiff. Stop. Defendants number 2 and 3, as also father and mother of the defendant number 1, had also signed customary divorce deed as witnesses. Stop. As per clause 3 of the aforesaid deed, both the parties had undertaken that they will not initiate any kind of civil as well as criminal proceedings against each other, and if any such proceedings are pending, the same shall be withdrawn, and both the parties will file a joint petition under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act and make their statements in the court as per settlement dated 25th March 2003. Stop. On the sad date, defendants number 2 and 3 had stood guarantors and sureties for conduct of defendant number 1 for payment which plaintiff had made to defendant number 1 through his attorney, and they had taken responsibility of defendant number 1 to file petition under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act and to get statements recorded in the court as per the customary divorce deed. Stop.